Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another vlog. I am feeling so good this morning. I just did my makeup. This blowout is like 3 or 4 days old. It's kind of going away, but it's still kind of a blowout, so I'm feeling really cute today. It is so gloomy outside, so quite frankly, the only reason I'm looking cute is because I do have a lot of content to film. I have some brand collabs to film today for Instagram and some things just for my own personal pages, so I did a little glow up. Also, honestly, summer is my favorite season, but I think fall is my favorite season for outfits. These brown pants are from Shein and they're tall girl friendly. I love them. They're kind of like cargos. They are a little bit too big on me, but it was honestly because when I bought these, I was like super bloated, I think. I don't know, because I tried them on and they fit perfectly and now they're a little bit loose. This little shirt is also from Shein and the outfit is just so cute. It's comfy. Like, these pants are so friggin' comfy. You guys have been seeing me do this a lot, but I have a lot of like outfit videos to record today. Specifically, I'm doing like a fall outfits video for you guys here on YouTube. But before I get into any of that, I want to thank today's video sponsor, which is Linjer Jewelry. I'm actually really excited to show you guys these pieces because they are so stunning, and just embracing my style a little bit more in my early 30s. I'm really excited to style these pieces with my fall outfits especially. So in case you've never heard of Linjer Jewelry before, they are a female founded brand. Heck freaking yes, I love supporting female brands. And the name actually originates from the Norwegian word lines, which I think is a really good representation of their brand because they're very simple and minimalistic, but all of their pieces feel very luxurious, but they're all at an affordable price. So overall, it's my type of brand. Their website is also very clean and easy to navigate, so you can search by the jewelry type. They have rings, earrings, necklaces. You can also go through the trending things, so the best sellers, any gift sets, and then as well, you can go through the gifts. They do also include women's and men's watches. Linjer Jewelry is truly made to last. They have solid gold pieces, but if solid gold is out of your budget, their gold vermeil pieces use a sterling silver base with a thick layer of 22K gold. Their plating is 2.5 to 3 microns thick, which is 5 times thicker than regular gold-plated jewelry, which means that these pieces will outlast regular gold-plated jewelry by many years. And something else that's super important is their brand focuses on sustainability. We live in a time where it's extremely important to take care of our world and our earth. So what Linjer Jewelry is doing is they use recycled materials anywhere possible. And that's not just in their jewelry pieces. This is also shown throughout their packaging. I mean, as you can see, that my package came very small, minimalistic. The box itself is recyclable. And then when you open it up, it is literally just the jewelry pieces in these like little pockets with a little card, but there's not like excess crap inside. With other brands, they're throwing in like paper or like shredded paper or plastic or whatever it is. There's none of that. And on top of that, Linjer Jewelry does use lab-grown diamonds. I did get 3 pieces, so let's open it up. So the first one is the paper clip necklace. This one is in the gold vermeil. I've actually been wanting a paper chain necklace for quite some time. I don't know why. It's one of the necklaces that I don't own. I really like this piece because this is great for layering necklaces, and I am definitely the type of girl who likes to layer necklaces. I'm always wearing at least minimum 2. So that's kind of what the necklace looks like on, and I really like it because it's adjustable length, so you can either do 16 inch, 17 inch, or 18 inch. Now, I just told you guys I love a layering necklace moment, so to pair with that, I got the puffy heart necklace, again in the gold vermeil. I love this necklace because it's very thin and minimalistic, but then we have the gold solid heart. This necklace is great as well because it does have the adjustable length, so you can wear it 17 inch, 18 inch, or 19 inch. Which is what I went with here. This is just even a little bit more of a close-up so you can see how I styled this together. I love the pairing. And then last but definitely not least, I'm a ring kind of girl, so I had to pick one up. I got the Lillian ring in a size 10, and this time I actually went with silver. Your girl has very fat fingers, and I really like wearing rings on my index finger, and I know it's like a size 9 or 10, so that's why I went with the 10. I really like this ring because it's simple and minimalistic, but it still does have a little bit of a design. It's very thin, and it's definitely one of those rings that you can stack with other rings. Yeah, and just another little close-up so you can see it almost has like a little braided design. It's very nice. Truthfully, the quality of these pieces feel amazing, and I honestly don't think I'm ever going to be taking these off. I feel like these are like staple everyday wear pieces. You can wear them casually, but you can also dress them up with like really dressy outfits. And again, you're getting them at really good affordable prices. Kind of just going back to what I said at the beginning, you can get solid gold pieces. So as you can see, you can pay upwards to like $1,300 and get real solid gold jewelry, as you can see on the screen. Anything ranging from like $200 to $1,300. But if you are looking for something that is more affordable, more everyday wear, more budget friendly, they do have tons of options. Like as you can see, we have $80, $70, $90, $110. These are definitely the more affordable options. Linjer also did give me a discount code, so if you guys do want to shop, you can use my code KaylaJukic, KaylaDjukic. It's a little special offer for you guys. So what you're gonna do is go to my description box, you're gonna shop the link and use that code on your checkout, and you're gonna get a little bit of a discount. These pieces are definitely gonna go with the fashion content that I need to film, so let's get on that. I don't know how, but I always make the perfect amount, even though I'm eyeballing it. Oh my goodness, am I ever tired. It is 3:22 and I have just been doing content all day. I didn't shoot any BTS of me doing all that fashion content because I feel like I've been doing that a lot in my past few vlogs. So I'm just sparing you guys that. And I also had to make a post for, it's like a brand collaboration that I'm doing. So I just posted that. I'm excited about that. I've been getting a lot of brand deals recently, which has been making me feel like extremely grateful for having these opportunities. And I just feel like now kind of I'm like starting to grow on social media and kind of going the way that I always wanted to. It's been hard, like grinding it out for years and years and years and not having like a whole lot to show for it, if that makes sense. But now with these brand deals, like people aren't like, I'm not getting lowballed anymore. Like people are actually paying me what I am worth, and it just feels really good. This is kind of random, but I'm just like feeling really good and like I'm in a good headspace. So yeah, just wanted to make myself a little protein fruit smoothie. I also did walk Kobe, and when I came back in, there was 2 packages for me. So the first one is Brazil nuts. Now, I think by the time this video is up, there's going to be 2 videos right now on my channel about my husband and I's infertility struggle. This is like the first time I'm actually saying it in real time, or like telling you guys in real time that we have been like on a fertility journey and trying to conceive. That alone feels like a relief that now I'm going to be able to talk to you guys about this a lot more. We've been trying to conceive for 2 years now, so I have a lot of friggin' footage. I would not be Kayla if I did not record everything. Right now I'm kind of just trying to bring you up to speed. So I'm not going to talk about it too much because I want to bring you guys into real time so things make more sense. But part of our fertility journey is both Alan and I started eating Brazil nuts daily. We both eat 2 each, and we've been doing this for about a month or 2. I would say 2 months for sure, actually. So I needed to restock on that. And then the other thing is I had to buy Kobe a new dog bag holder because I accidentally dropped his leash, and then the dog bag, it was just plastic and it cracked. I swear we've had that for like probably 2 or 3 years, so it was old and was getting like run down. So I got a new one from Amazon. It was just like $6. Yeah, just 2 little random things that I needed to pick up. Happy Friday from me and Kobe. We both have just been rotting on the couch, and you probably noticed, so the beginning of this video, my vlog was on Wednesday. Today's Friday. I did not vlog yesterday, and that's because my period came, and honestly, if you're a girl watching this, you know, first day period is the worst. For me, it's like 10 times worse probably, because my husband and I are trying to get pregnant. Like, I was actually talking to you guys about this on Wednesday, saying like, you know, I'm finally talking about it in real time and stuff, and then bam, I went and I got my period Wednesday night. So I'm just like very frustrated. Yesterday I just couldn't vlog, one, because my stomach was hurting, and two, I was pretty much like crying all day. It's obviously like very hard to be on this journey and like wanting something so badly, and it just like doesn't happen for you. So that was kind of why I didn't vlog yesterday. Today I'm feeling better, but honestly I don't have anything planned for the day. Tonight I am going to dinner with my friend Summer, but what time is it? 11:30 right now, and literally me and Kobe have just been like laying on this couch. I'm feeling so tired. Like, see, I can't stop yawning. I do need to head over to Walmart because maybe TMI, but I gotta go pick up some more tampons. I'm back from Walmart and I'm in the mood to bake because it's that time of the month. I just am craving something sweet. So I found this recipe for banana blondies. I'm gonna try and make that. There's not that many ingredients and I have everything. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm just trying to find the photo to show you what it's supposed to look like. I mean, that looks delicious. And I have a bunch of bananas that are starting to go really ripe, so I want to use them. First thing we're adding is half a cup of melted butter. Then it calls for 1 cup of light brown sugar, but I only have dark brown sugar, so I'm just gonna use what I have. Then mix that up well. Oh my god, am I making a mess already? Also featured of my mess was I literally blew up the butter when I was warming it up in the microwave, so that's fun. Next we're gonna add 1 egg, as well as 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. I'm just gonna eyeball this. And then mix it up again. Next is a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, again eyeballing it. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And then it only calls for 1 banana, but I'm gonna add 2 mashed bananas. And then I'm just gonna mash it up with a fork as best as possible. And we're gonna add that in. I'm making a mess. That's the second time I've dropped that. My goodness. And then we're just gonna mix that up. What is going on? Now I just smell pepper everywhere. Literally, what is happening? Just gonna spray a pan and we're gonna pour this in. The oven is preheated, so now I'm just gonna throw that in for 25 to 30 minutes, it says, at 350. Look at the pepper that I spilled. Oh my god. So while that's cooking, I'm gonna clean all of this because I made an absolute mess. I honestly don't know if I've ever had a blondie before, but it kind of just looks like almost like an underbaked sort of bread. Smells so good. I did do a little frosting on top based on the recipe. I didn't film it, but it was just butter, brown sugar, and powdered sugar. Wow, that is really good, but it is definitely a little bit sweet. It's so moist. I literally baked that perfectly. Wow. Right now it is 6:50 and I'm going to be meeting Summer for dinner. Quickly, just want to show you my outfit. I look very casual, but it is a little bit dressy. It's just because I'm wearing all black. I have these like wide-legged pants. They have pockets and the waistband is so stretchy, which I'm gonna need because we're gonna be eating good food. And then I have this black frilly top with my Panda Nike Dunks. Just going super casual. I need to be there in 10 minutes, so I gotta get going.